Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring both devices run the same JJK Phantom Parade version. Mismatches will block transfers. Sign into your account or generate an account transfer code if you'll move between different stores. Back up the local save to cloud or export the transfer code and copy it securely. Once done, verify Wi-Fi is stable and batteries are charged. This prevents mid-transfer corruption. These steps reduce risk and save time when you initiate the direct transfer. You now perform the transfer. On the source device, open account, then transfer to generate a code and follow prompts. On the target device, choose Restore and enter the generated code, or simply sign into the same account if using Cloud Restore. Confirm your player ID and select which data sets to move, main save purchases, and settings. Make sure to read warnings and wait for each confirmation screen. Rushing can cause incomplete copies, so let each step finish before proceeding. You finish by completing the restore flow, then immediately launch JJK Phantom Parade and verify your account name, level, characters, and inventory match the source. If everything is intact, you can safely revoke access on the old device. If something is missing, do not overwrite the target. Capture screenshots and retry the restore if code reuse permits. Troubleshooting tip: if transfer fails, check the code reuse limit and resend logs or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.